Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on the complete data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms are the backbone of computer science and software development. Understanding them is crucial for anyone who wants to build efficient and scalable software systems. Overview. In this video, we will cover the fundamental concepts of data structures and algorithms, and we'll dive into various types of data structures and algorithms, such as arrays, linked lists, trees, graphs, sorting algorithms, searching algorithms, and more. Data structures. Let's start with data structures. A data structure is a way of organizing and storing data in a computer so that it can be accessed and used efficiently. We'll start with the basic data structure, which is an array. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type, stored in contiguous memory locations. It's a simple but powerful data structure that allows for fast and efficient access to elements. Next, we'll move on to linked lists, which are similar to arrays but have some key differences. A linked list consists of nodes that are linked together by pointers. Each node contains a value and a pointer to the next node in the list. Linked lists are more flexible than arrays, but they can be slower to access. We'll also cover more advanced data structures such as trees, heaps, and graphs. Trees are hierarchical structures that are used to represent relationships between elements. Heaps are special types of trees that allow for efficient insertion and removal of elements. Graphs are a way of representing complex relationships between elements. Algorithms. Now, let's move on to algorithms. An algorithm is a set of instructions for solving a particular problem. We'll cover various types of algorithms, such as sorting algorithms, searching algorithms, and graph algorithms. Sorting algorithms are used to put a collection of elements in a specific order. We'll cover various sorting algorithms such as bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and quick sort. Searching algorithms are used to find a specific element in a collection of elements. We'll cover various searching algorithms such as linear search, binary search, and depth-first search. Finally, we'll cover graph algorithms, which are used to solve problems on graphs. We'll cover various graph algorithms such as Dijkstra's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, and Kruskal's algorithm. Conclusion. That's a quick overview of data structures and algorithms. Remember, understanding these fundamental concepts is crucial for building efficient and scalable software systems. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in your journey to becoming a better software developer. Thanks for watching.